When people tell me they don't want to create content, I tell them this. If you ain't going to create content, you better have dumb money, okay? Because most people still to this day, especially small entrepreneurs like me or people who are only, making less than $1 million a year, they look at these big companies, these big dodos. They're like, I want to market like them. And those people ain't paying bills like we is as entrepreneurs. Those people who are running these multi companies, I've sat in rooms with the marketers who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, who work for companies that I thought I wanted to work for, and I realized they don't know shit. They actually just really get to do whatever they want and test these things out, because guess what? There is no direct ROI to the money they spend, because the money they make, guess what? It's not coming out of paying for their children, helping their wife. They're not paying for their house. That's not where the money's coming from when they're spending it, okay? So they don't have this feeling. So I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you learn anything in this video right here, do not allow where you think people are to take away from the increment steps you're taking every single day. Don't let them take away from that step you're taking every single day where you're just like, I'm moving forward. No matter what people say, I'm moving forward, right? Because what you'll quickly realize is that they're not that far ahead of you, but all the thought and the thinking and the lack of action will then make them so far ahead of you, because eventually they're doing this much more than you every day. It's like, eventually it's like, then they say double in a penny every single day. You're like, do you want that or do you want 100K? Right? And by the end of the year, by the end of the month, the money is going ridiculous, because it's a compound effect. Think of the actions you take, content creation, things that you're doing in life. Think about it as that compound effect and just make it happen. Let's go.